Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 97. Today we explore 4 fabulous formatting features in Google Sheets. So let's just get right down to business here. The first formatting feature that I'd like to show you guys is inserting images into a cell itself. I don't see a lot of spreadsheets with images in them, and when you do see them in there, you usually see people put an image right on top of everything and they just have to kind of move it around. But there is a feature in here to insert an image into a cell. So go over here to Insert, Image, Image in Cell, and you can just upload an image that you need to use. So this image is now stored in this cell, and if I were to resize the cell, it would resize the image. It actually becomes a value in the cell and can be sorted with it and everything else. If things move around, then the image moves with it, just like it's a bit of data. The size of the image is greatly influenced by the height and width of the cells themselves. So you'll notice that this one, if it is a kind of thin row, you're going to have a very small image because it has to fit into that cell. To adjust that, just simply adjust the height and the width and things will kind of correspond. If you need to adjust multiple columns at a time, just simply select them all by clicking and dragging on the numbers and then adjust one of them. Doesn't really matter which one, and they will all inherit that adjustment. This works better when the images are roughly the same dimension, like this is a square one and this is a rectangular one. Also, if you need to get an image from somewhere else, like not uploading it, you can actually go up to Insert Image, Image in Cell, and you can get it from your camera by URL, Photos, Google Drive, or even a Google image search. The problem with this is that when you do a Google image search, it turns up copyright-free, royalty-free images, which can be a problem. In this case, I was doing a search for Samuel Wilson, which is otherwise known as the Falcon in the Avengers. That's all kind of copyrighted imagery, so you're not going to see that pop up there. I might be able to narrow it down a little bit, but it still has a tough time finding him, whereas if I were just searching for him on the web, Samuel Thomas Wilson does turn up the actor and the character itself pretty easily. But if you're searching for generic things like Apple or Orange or things like that, those are very easily found, and you can just go in there and just grab them and choose Insert. Right, so the next thing that I wanted to show you was how to do formatting for accounting. Sometimes you want to format things to look like currency, and you can easily do this very quickly by going to Format, Number, and choose Accounting. The difference between this and just dollar currency formatting is that the dollar sign automatically gets pushed over to the far left and it lines up, as opposed to just basic currency, which puts it with the numbers themselves. Another thing you may want to be able to do is to rotate text so that it shows up at an angle or completely vertical. Simply select the text that you would like to rotate, go up to Format, Text Rotation, and then choose whether you want to tilt it up or stack it vertically or things like that. You can even customize your angle. If I wanted to make these all slimmer, I could just click and drag all those columns and then pull them in. But here's another tip. Just like in Excel, if you double click the line between these columns, it automatically resizes it to fit whatever the contents are. The fourth and final formatting tip is alternating colors. So if you've got a section that you'd like to format like a table, just select all of it, then go up to Format and choose Alternating Colors. Alternating colors lets you quickly, with one click, style the table, and it even guesses if you have a header and automatically selects that. The other thing you can do is add custom styles, and you can change the color of any of these items. So if the second color isn't quite to your liking, you can choose, I want one slightly darker than that. Let's go with this. And you can then change, of course, any of these elements. Once you get the colors as you like them, you may have to go in there and choose a different color for the base font that goes into those cells. That's fine. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.